Welcome to the demonstration of the Association of Physicians Private Members portal. This portal functions as an intranet, allowing community members to communicate, share files, create events and exchange information. Let's explore how to log in and navigate the portal. On the website, you'll find a sign-in button, which will become active once the portal is launched. There is also another button to access the portal for the AoPGBI, and you'll find additional access links throughout the website. To log in, you'll need your username and password. After signing in, you'll land on the active feed page. Here, you can view and engage with posts from other community members. You can exchange academic or social information and connect with others. To personalize your experience, it's important to configure your settings. You can choose to receive email notifications for community events, unread messages, and new messages. You can also manage your connections and control who can view them, and you can set your time zone. Next, it's recommended to update your profile with current information. You can add or change details and accept the terms and conditions regarding privacy and responsibilities. In My Profile, you'll find a snapshot of your connections, groups, and contact information. You can customize what others can see and adjust your preferences for how you want to be viewed. And finally, let's go back to My Feed. To get involved, you can start by writing a post, by commenting on a news item, or by using the Who's Online feature to instantly connect with others on the platform. If someone isn't currently online, don't worry. You can still find and connect with them through the members directory using criteria like groups, country, or location. For more advanced search options, we'll delve into those in our next video, along with features like messaging, managing connections, joining groups, and accessing the QJM journal. Thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video.